All right, tonight's video we're going to talk about the ProActive mailer. I'm going to bring you 3 or 4 key points to using, or why we would want to use this particular mailer. If you're not familiar with mailers, what this does is set you up so that you can start email marketing to the membership of the ProActive mailer. And one of the first points that we're going to talk about, let me get over here to my whiteboard, is that it only promotes to active members. Okay, I know that's not my first point, it's my third point, but that's okay. It's important to let you know that they do only promote to active members that are actually clicking and reading emails that are sent to them. So with that thought, understand that if you use the ProActive mailer, you are going to have emails coming to your inbox. So make sure you put them in an inbox or a email address that you can get in there and take care of by clicking reading and deleting as you go to make room for more emails as you continue. Come back up here to the whiteboard. Another main point is that it is free to join, and there will be a link in the description for you, an affiliate link in the description for you, and we'll advise you at this time that we do not make any promises for sales, any particular income, or membership level as you go through the ProActive mailer. This is totally for educational purposes only, and just what we have been working with. So it's free to join, and one of the nice things about that is that you can be a free member in here. You can sell this on the affiliate with your affiliate link, and you can still get a commission. And if they happen to go into one of the upsells within the program, then you still get a commission. So want everybody to understand that you do not have to be a paid member to get paid. Okay, you're going to earn commissions on higher ticket offers. That's what that's second point to the first point there. That even on the higher ticket offers, many companies out there, if they have higher ticket offers within their programs, you have to buy the higher ticket offer to be able to get paid for them. But in this case, you do not have to do that. The percentage might be lower. You may get a higher percentage if you are a paid member to this particular platform or other similar platforms, but you will make a commission. And we already talked about promoting to active members. And the fourth thing about this program that works for you in your best interest is these are make money online niche members. Okay, they're all here for that same purpose, and many of them, if not all, have probably purchased something within either the membership of this site or other sites similar, and they are buyer leads. They're not afraid to open up their wallet and do a paid membership or buy some traffic if they see that is going to benefit them. So ProActive mailer has enough of a benefit that there are a lot of buyer leads in this system. Let me jump back over here to the ProActive mailer screen, and you can get a good idea of what all we've got going on here. You've got your home screen. You've got your send mailing, which I think I've got a little bit of time. You can do it every 24 hours. And I'm looking at 31 minutes and 55, 54, 53 seconds that we are on this page. So I've got just a little while before I can send out my mailing for today. Some of the mailings that I send I have been sending sporadically. I am trying to get back into sending out on a daily basis for this setup, because I have a new promotion that or a new opportunity that we are putting out there, and it is converting with this kind of traffic. So we want to make sure to continue to put it out there on a regular basis. You can also do banner ads. You can do text ads, square banners. You could buy credits. There is a login spotlight, which is a popular advertising space for mailers and traffic exchanges out there, due to the fact that every time somebody logs in, they're going to see an ad, and it could be yours. There's your affiliate toolbox, which has everything from email swipes to all your banners, anything you would need to advertise with. And here's where you would find your commissions. There is a downline builder, which if you don't know what that is, this is where you can come in and put your links into any other traffic mailers, rotators, or whatever they have, any of the ones that they have laid out here. And that way, if somebody joins you in ProActive Mailer, they can see what other mailers that you might be working with, and if they want to, they can join those mailers with you as well. I will highlight this one, the TL2 iCache mailer. I need to put my link in there because that is one that I use. And all your information policies and regulations are all taken care of here, and you can be paid by Wise to get your commissions if anybody purchases this plan from you. And go back over here to the whiteboard. Just as a bonus for you, if you decide to use ProActive Mailer, and if you purchase through me, whether I've got it on here with any new paid subscription, but I'll make the bonus even better. If you join ProActive Mailer even on the free version of it, then and let me know who you are. Send me an email. I'll have an email in the description area. You can email me, give me your name. I can make sure that, yes, you came in under my link, and then I will get you into my free weekly YouTube training. And it's called the 4-step video blueprint, and it will send you over to my video talking about the 4-step video blueprint, and then you'll be invited into our Zoom calls on Tuesday nights, 8 o'clock Eastern, for our training time. So make sure to check that out. Look for my link in the description area. And until we can get everything rolling for you, we'll call it a night, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.